What's it? Oh, me too, Timmy now. Man, these grabs are so quick. Look at my ping. Look at my ping. My ping. A ping and a LT. A ping and a LT at all. What? Like, we know one round. I joke this. That not real. Ooh. Come on, man, buttons. Hello, catch me. Come here, boy. What y'all do? Come in that corner, boy. Oh, he almost got me. No! Him catch the people! Him catch me! Yo, I don't know what happened, but that ping there kill me! See that down there, sir! Ah! Alright, mutual luck. Another one there bad. Damn, bro. Yeah, I pressed the button. Come on, boy! If I come back from this, I'm king. If I come... No! Oh no, I guessed wrong! Oh, I guessed wrong. I was so close. I was so close. The mix-ups are killing me, bro. The mix-ups are killing me, bro. Oh, I'm doing my best, bro. I swear to God. They're putting me in a split. What? What the? Oh, what the blues clothing? Hey, boy. Alright, that grab was quick, though. Come in that corner, boy. Oh, boy. Boy, come in that corner. Yeah, that was neutral. Come back in that corner, boy. I knew I should have pressed X. Oh, he rolled. I knew I should have grabbed his eye. Ha! Gay! Fight! Yeah, why'd I do that? I thought his face would have got me. Got him!
Oh, that was good. That was good. That was damn good, bruh. Yo.
Liu Kang wins. Round 1.
But there I saw try to get one and I can't get one. I try to get one win peeps from Margaret and everybody a body fought. Hold on. What y'all do?
Finish him.
Well, peace, we get one win. Hey, I feel like you give me that win then, like he says. I feel like you give me that win then. Because just a while ago, I say they try ducking you never did that play, you know. I know you, you know, you think you're easy. I enjoy this. Okay, that one's spacey. You got me, bro. Yeah, that one got me. I mean, I don't see the color up on the screen. Oh, what? What the fuck? Oh, let's see on the screen already. Yeah, that was good. Oh my days. I need to get better Wi-Fi. This ping ain't working with me.
Nope. Round 2. Fight.
That was good. Come in that kind of boy. And the roll. The roll keeps catching me, bruh. You know I never press that button there, you know? Yeah, he got him with a fireball, guys. He got him with a fireball. I must win one more today. I must win one more today. Alright, peeps, so that one will be the last one. So I'll be the last match.
Round 1. Fight.
My boss. Peeps. Nah, tell like my friend already. I said speed when he beat me up. Yeah, man, the one they reach me to. Woo! Oh, that didn't work. I was trying to poke him out.
Final round. Fight.
Yeah, man, him catch me as a Peeps. Yeah, man, him catch me as a man. I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man. Yo, I can't see no fireball. Yo, that gave me a wicked, yeah, man. I can't see no fireball. Woo. Boy, Peeps. Look at that son. Oh, you mercy. We ain't like that, we ain't like that, we ain't like that.
Got him!
He gave me the win, guys. He's a true. Hey. He's a true friend. He's a true friend. This is the last match and he gotta go though. But yo, bro, that was some good matches. I got my ass kicked, but at least I didn't go down losing. Well, I did lost though. So yeah, so that's